In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to save file as PDF in WordPad. So if you would like to do it, you need to go to the left upper corner and you need to go to File. After that you need to go to Print, and then you need to select this one option, Print, select printer, number of copies, and other printing options before printing. So I select this one option, and now you will see here a list of available printers. But of course we don't want to print our file, we need to export it to PDF, so I select here Microsoft Print to PDF. You can read here that the status is ready now, so now I recommend you to select this one option, Print to File, and then you need to select here this one option, Page Range. You need to check here All, and after that we need to click Print button. Now you need to select folder where you want to save your file. For example, I will select Tutorial folder, and now I need to type here file name. So I type here simple file, and now you need to check if a type is selected to PDF document with .pdf format. After that you need to click save button, and after a moment your file will be successfully exported to PDF. And how you see, our file has been successfully exported to selected directory. If you would like to open it, you need to click double time on it. So it's all for today. If I helped you, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel, and let me know in comment if it solved your problem.